200 Essential for daily use English sentences with do.
200 Essential for daily use English sentences with do.
Do you have a ticket?
Do you have a ticket?
Do you like to wear makeup?
Do you like to wear makeup?
Do you have a driver's license?
Do you have a driver's license?
Do you like to take photos?
Do you like to take photos?
Do I have to study?
Do I have to study?
Do you have any questions?
Do you have any questions?
Do you think I am fat?
Do you think I am fat?
Do you know how to drive?
Do you know how to drive?
Do you smoke?
Do you smoke?
Do you have a car?
Do you have a car?
Do you know that hotel?
Do you know that hotel?
Do you drink coffee?
Do you drink coffee?
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
Do you like cooking?
Do you like cooking?
Do you have blankets?
Do you have blankets?
Do you like this city?
Do you like this city?
Do you like giving gifts?
Do you like giving gifts?
Do you love your family?
Do you love your family?
Do you often go to restaurants?
Do you often go to restaurants?
Do you have any pets?
Do you have any pets?
Do you enjoy dancing?
Do you enjoy dancing?
Do you like to exercise?
Do you like to exercise?
Do you love me?
Do you love me?
Do you like to go camping?
Do you like to go camping?
Do you hear me?
Do you hear me?
Do you like tennis?
Do you like tennis?
Do you play soccer?
Do you play soccer?
Do you go to school by bus?
Do you go to school by bus?
Do you like to listen to music?
Do you like to listen to music?
Do you talk to your horses?
Do you talk to your horses?
Do you like basketball?
Do you like basketball?
Do you like parties?
Do you like parties?
Do you sing well?
Do you sing well?
Do you like to write in a journal?
Do you like to write in a journal?
Do you like to cut?
Do you like to cook?
Do you like to take photographs?
Do you like to take photographs?
Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards?
Do you like Korean food?
Do you like Korean food?
Do you have many friends?
Do you have many friends?
Do you want money?
Do you want money?
Do you love me?
Do you love me?
Do you take out the trash every day?
Do you take out the trash every day?
Do you have any siblings?
Do you have any siblings?
Do you give to charity?
Do you give to charity?
Do ghosts exist?
Do ghosts exist?
Do you often eat chicken?
Do you often eat chicken?
Do you need this book?
Do you need this book?
Do you want to be rich?
Do you want to be rich?
Do you have a fever?
Do you have a fever?
Do you talk to your dog?
Do you talk to your dog?